understanding that you passed a test that very few Americans have?
Yes, it is the Solidworks Expert Certification. We have a course here at Mount Vista that goes through the professional level certification. So we have that level, and then with further studies, you can reach an even higher level of certification. And in our engineering capstone course, I have gone and done that. I started my studies around this past December, so I think that's like 4 months. I think, honestly, it's a large case of just not enough people know about it to take it. I think, while it was certainly hard to get, I don't believe I am in the top, like, 0.1% of users, but I encourage everyone to try and study for it in our engineering program. I think it'd be good. SolidWorks is a 3D modeling software. You may know 3D modeling from 3D printing. Pretty much with my certification, I can now make very complicated 3D models for whatever application is required. This certification sort of expanded 3D modeling from just 3D printing applications to now I can model for welding, I could model for sheet metal or other forms of manufacturing. So it really is just knowing how to use SolidWorks, the 3D modeling software, to the best of its ability for a wide range of applications.
The SolidWorks class.
That is Mr. Allison. He's been a cheerleader throughout this whole process.